Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's begin. When it comes to adding friends without Facebook on Candy Crush Saga, you can only do it from the group of random players that King assigns you whenever you start playing. So if you want to add friends in Candy Crush Saga without Facebook, then you must have a King account first. Open up your Candy Crush Saga app and tap on Retrieve My Progress. Now select Sign Up with Email option and you can easily create a King account by entering some of the details on this page. Finally, click on Create My Account to create a new account. Once you have a King account, tap on Login with Email whenever you're trying to log into Candy Crush and enter your email and password associated with your Kingdom account. Finally, tap Login. Once you're logged into your account, you can now go to the map page. From the main home page, tap on your profile avatar at the top of the screen. Select the Friends tab from the display. Now, tap on Add More Friends from the option and you can go ahead and scroll through a group of random players that King assigns to you. If you want to add a friend from that list, tap on the plus icon with a human figure in it right next to the player. Once you are done, you'll be able to send the friend invitation. Once they accept your invitation, you'll be able to add them as a friend on Candy Crush Saga. If you want to invite some friends from your own contact, tap on Invite Friends, select one of the messaging platform you'd like to invite a friend using, and once you make a selection, select the contact and tap Next at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to see an automated text displayed on the screen. You can send the invitation by tapping the Send button at the top right, and whenever the person clicks on the link and accepts your invitation, you'll be able to add them as a friend inside your friend list. That is how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga without Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.